we now have the chemical compounds and the transformative reactions. The final act is the art of flavor architecture, how chefs and food scientists orchestrate these elements to create balance, depth, and unforgettable experiences. Great dishes are built on equilibrium. Mastering these pillars is the difference between a good meal and a transcendent one. Salt doesn't just make things taste salty. It suppresses bitterness and enhances sweetness, umami, and aromatics. It's the volume knob for other flavors. Acids cut through fat and richness, add a refreshing sharpness, and make flavors pop with clarity. They provide necessary contrast. As established, fat delivers and rounds out flavors, providing luxurious mouthfeel and a lingering sensation of satisfaction. Sweetness can soften harsh acidity, counteract excessive salt, and tame aggressive bitterness, bringing harmony to the profile. In small doses, bitterness adds sophistication, depth, and structure, preventing a dish from being cloying or one-dimensional. A dish missing one pillar often tastes flat. The art is in their proportional play. Modern cuisine thinks in 3 dimensions. Slow-cooked stocks, roasted bones, caramelized onions, or dried mushrooms provide the deep, savory base note. The primary flavors of the main ingredients are the protein, the starches, the central vegetables. The bright, volatile, aromatic elements added at the end provide the first and most immediate aromatic hit. Advancements in food science have introduced precise tools for unprecedented texture and flavor control, using sodium alginate and calcium to create delicate flavor caviar, or thin membranes that burst in the mouth, delivering intense, pure taste. Using gelling agents to set flavors into new textures, or creating light foams that deliver aroma directly to the nose. Using vacuum pressure to force marinades deep into ingredients, or precise low-temperature cooking to achieve perfect texture and retain volatile flavors, often lost in high-heat cooking. Ultimately, flavor is not just chemical, it's psychological. Our brains construct flavor based on memory, culture, and context. A red strawberry mousse tastes more strawberry than a brown one, even if identical. The crunch of a chip, the sizzle of fajitas. These sounds prime our brain for specific flavor experiences. The intentional use of temperature, texture, or flavor contrast creates excitement and heightens perception. The journey of flavor is a beautiful loop. Chemistry, transformation, cooking, architecture, perception. It begins with a molecule meeting a receptor, is transformed by fire and technique, is artfully balanced by a cook, and is finalized in the unique mind of the eater. Understanding this process doesn't diminish the magic of a great meal. It deepens our awe for it. It reveals that every bite is a story of science, craft, and human experience, plated for our delight.